Mount Everest, the tallest mountain in the world, stands as a beacon of human ambition and natural wonder. Rising to an awe-inspiring height of 8,850 meters, this colossal peak is nestled in the heart of the Himalayas, on the border between Nepal and the Tibet Autonomous Region of China. Millions of years ago, deep beneath the Earth's surface, the Indian subcontinent embarked on a monumental journey. Slowly but surely it drifted northward, driven by the forces of tectonic motion. As it collided with the Eurasian plate, the Earth itself trembled, giving birth to a mountain range, the Himalayas. At the heart of this mountain range stands the legendary peak, Mount Everest. But even as we marvel at its lofty heights, we must ask, is Mount Everest still growing? Yes. The growth of Mount Everest is driven by the ongoing convergence of the Indian and Eurasian plates. This slow but steady collision pushes the mountain skyward, adding about 4 millimeters to its height each year. The quest to conquer Everest summit began in earnest in the early 20th century. It was first successfully summited by Sir Edmund Hillary of New Zealand and Tenzing Norgay, a Sherpa of Nepal, on May 29, 1953. In recent decades, climbing Mount Everest has become a commercialized venture, with numerous expeditions organized by various companies. But reaching the top of Everest is no small feat. The altitude above 8,000 meters on Everest is known as the death zone due to the extremely low oxygen levels. Climbers face severe risks of altitude sickness, hypothermia, other high-altitude ailments, avalanches, and falls. Sherpas, an ethnic group native to the Himalayas, are renowned for their expertise in guiding climbers on Everest. For them, Everest is more than just a mountain, it is a sacred place woven into the fabric of their culture. They are known for their mountaineering skills, hospitality, and deep spiritual connection to the land. They play a crucial role in supporting expeditions and ensuring the safety of climbers. In its towering presence, Mount Everest beckons us to reach beyond our limits and embrace the unknown. As shadows dance across its rugged slopes, we are reminded that the journey of exploration never truly ends.